Press the subscribe and bell icon to get notified about the latest content. Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Desi Diva family. I'm Tanushree and hope you all are doing well. So आपको वीडियो के टाइटल से पता चल ही गया होगा what is this video all about. So today I'm going to talk about one product from Wow Skin Science. So lovelies, from the Wow Skin Science product range, the product which I'm going to review today is this. So lovelies, this is Wow Skin Science Lift Firm Aloe Vera Gel and this is my second bottle जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इससे पहले का बॉटल मैं ऑलरेडी फिनिश कर चुकी हूँ. जैसे कि आप पैकेज की हालत से देख सकते हैं. I'm already using it and after using it I'm going to review it. So guys, इसका outer package looks like this and the actual product look like this. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये जो बॉटल पैकेज है it comes in a very sleek and beautiful looking package. So lovelies, all the products from Wow Skin Science are my personal favorite. The reasons are, first, ये dermatologically tested हैं. Second is, these are cruelty free products. And there are multiple other reasons as well. For example, all these products, as it is mentioned on the package, it is no paraben, no silicons, no color and no fragrance. It doesn't have any impurity, इसमें कोई added chemicals नहीं है. So it is actually good for your skin. So lovelies, this product from the Wow Skin Science range, which is Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel, comes with double roller action for firming cheeks, neck and jawline, and also it is infused with jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B and E, which is very helpful and good for skin. So combination of jojoba oil, vitamin B and E actually helps to firm your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin. Also ये आपके चेहरे से जो uneven skin tone होता है या फिर आपके जो pigmentation होता है, it helps to lighten those. So this product is one of my favorite, and as I mentioned before, it comes with double roller. So these are the two rollers which will help you in massaging your skin as well. So इसमें आपको बस थोड़ा सा quantity का product लेना है. You need to apply on your face and neck area, and you just need to use the rollers. And all the products from Wow Skin Science are 100% made in India. Talking about this product, it has 99% of natural ingredient, which is again a very good thing. So you do not get artificial ingredients in this product. Also, you can buy this product offline as well as online. Wow Skin Science के सारे product markets में available हैं, as well as all the online portals has it. Wow has their own application in which you can check and buy the products from there as well. And lovelies, also a very important thing, a lot of us are very skeptical about buying different products online, और हमें हमेशा doubt रहता है whether it is authentic or not. So to check that, all you need to do is you just need to scan this QR code, which is right here, and you will get to see the authenticity of the product. So the best way to check whether this product is authentic or not is just to scan this QR code. So lovelies, I'll add the link in the description box from where you can buy this product. I will also show you the application, how it looks like, so that you will be able to purchase it from there as well. So guys, let's quickly hop on to the demo. So this is how the packaging looks like. So you take this cap off, and here it says on and off, and then take this gel and apply it on your face. So once you apply the gel on your face, all you need to do is first lock this cap like this. So once you lock it, the product will not come out. See, मैं इसको press कर रही हूँ लेकिन product बाहर नहीं आ रहा है. So once you lock it, all you need to do is आपको ये upward motion में massage करना अपना face like this. So आपको अपने jaw line, cheek area, as well as your neck area and your face, your forehead, you need to massage it properly. Can you see मैं स्ट्रोक नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ लेके जा रही हूँ, like this. The other side. Done with the jawline. Next, you need to do the same thing for your cheek, like this. So आप ये rollers exactly आपके cheek bone पे चलाएंगे here. So इसका जो नीचे वाला roller है, that will affect on your lower part of your cheekbone here. This upper roller will work on your this area, which is the dark circle normally people get. So massage your skin properly with this roller. You need to approximately massage your skin for about a minute. And do the same thing on the other side as well. आपको तब तक करना है जब तक ये जेल पूरा आपके स्किन पे अब्सॉर्ब ना हो जाए. सो वंस द जेल इज कम्प्लीटली अब्सॉर्ब्ड ऑन योर स्किन, दैट्स व्हेन यू कैन स्टॉप मसाजिंग. व्हाट इट डज इज ये आपके स्किन को बहुत ज़्यादा हाइड्रेट करेगा. यू विल फील अ सॉफ्टनेस ऑन योर स्किन. इफ आई टच माई स्किन राइट नाउ आई फील वेलवेटी स्मूथ and there is no fragrance. That's a good thing about this gel. So जो भी product mild या फिर strong fragrance के साथ आता है, that has chemical, and since there is no fragrance in this gel, so that is really mild and it is very natural. So it will leave your skin very hydrated. So lovelies, as you can see, after applying this gel on my face and massaging it for a minute or two, I can actually feel that my skin is glowing. My skin can breathe और मतलब आप देख सकते हैं एक अलग सा ग्लो होगा चेहरे पे. And it feels very moisturized, बहुत hydrated. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो गया है. So this is one of the good product in the market and I'm using it from a very long time. So I use this product almost every second or third day and I really like it. So I will give this a thumbs up and you all should definitely try it as well. So lovelies, this was a quick review and demo video for the Wow Skin Science Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel. This video was informative for you and आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया so please give it a thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video you will get the notification. So I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.